here on a camping trip at Surf City, North Carolina. Alright, so we just left the beach. It was pretty fun, really hot weather. A lot of people out here since it's packed for 4th of July weekend. Now we're about to head back to the campground and get our tents all set up. Today is the 4th of July. I'm out here with my girl's family. We're living our best life. We're on vacation. So Madeline's family is down here visiting from Ohio. So we're out here camping. This right here is our tent. We got everything set up and ready. Got an AC, got a whole bunch of food. I'm actually sitting on the cooler, so there's a lot of drinks, food, good times to be made. So we're out here living our best life. Alright guys, so it's 4th of July weekend actually. And COVID is not going away, so fortunately it's 4th of July and COVID is still around, so we still have to wear masks for safety. And as you guys know, I got a baby on the way, so I'm not taking no chances. You gotta mask it up. Got the mask in my hand right now, so I'm about to put that on real soon.
Yeah, hot.
So this is Madeline's little brother and sister. It's their first time in North Carolina. We're out here camping. So what do you guys think about the camping trip so far?
Good.
How do you like the ocean for the first time? You don't like it?
Nope. I don't
like
it.
You don't like it? Oh man, you guys are missing out. So apparently these guys do not like the ocean. So we just set up the tent. Check it out. 3-bedroom tent, nice and spacious, a lot of room. Got the air mattress in here, so we're gonna spend the night here.
What are you saying? Oh, there's a good one. Beta right here. Watch right here. Right past the boat.
It's just so good, I can't help it. Monster's a thing. You guys know me. I need to have my morning monster to start the day off right. Good morning, guys. We're back out here, still camping. Day after 4th of July. Madeline over here cooking some good breakfast. Grabbing some more firewood. Mason, aka the fireman. Ooh, breakfast in bed. Thanks, babe. And it just started raining. So camp trip is over.
So extra.
Camping with Veda. We got the shower system, all that good stuff. Brand new Nikes, no.